So, a lot of people in life can actually lose their hope and wisdoms and anything that they have learned from life. They lose everything. Why? In this digital world, as you know that this is a new generation. New generation means this is a generation, Gen X, Gen Z generation. And in this generation, everyone is struggling. Everyone is knowing that making money is so simple. And in making money, everyone loses their nature. Oh, नहीं आ गया बोले. Everyone loses their self, everyone loses their culture, loses their language, and they forget about how they speak. What are those vocabulary words, mother tongue words in their mind, which they get lost due to new generation, due to uh, growing world towards money, hungerness. Everyone is losing their own self because they are working towards something meaningful. And when we work towards something meaningful, we actually feel every single thing. किਵੇਂ यार? और feel every single thing. So we become so consciousness. That's why we lose ourselves. To stop this, what can be done to stop this? You have to become more self-conscious about it. You have to go through it. You do not have to give up about it. If you give up, then you will lose yourself again. If you give up, you will get yourself back, but you will lose the track. You are in a trap. You are in the process. This is the God's way of treating yourself, making yourself like God is molding yourself towards that goal. You will feel low. You will feel low confidence. You will feel stressed. You will feel anxiety. You feel low because when we pursue something meaningful, everyone stops us. Like our own self will stop us, but it is not the stop. It is not because it stops us. It is not that it will stop us. It's because that God is molding us. If any branch on a tree is grown more, grown, grown like grown not in the shape, not in the balance, then we will cut down his branches, that tree's branches, to make that balance, to make that stylish, to make that tree in shape. Just like this, God will give you problems, God will give you stress, anxiety, so that it can mold your ways, so that it can cut your branches and make you a perfect in shape. That's why you are feeling tired, low, and ungood and unavailable, and your language, mother tongue is also lost. That's why this is the way. And if you want to get, then in the process you have to lose yourself. You have to learn. You have to learn all the things that are actually meant for a successful person. And before that learning, you cannot learn other things. To get yourself back, you have to quiet your successful track. And if you quiet, then you will know that you will lose your process, and you will become helpless and get molded in poverty. But you do not have to lose yourself. Just don't worry about it. We'll meet in the next video, and tell me in the comments how was the video. Subscribe.